Hey guys, it's Stephanie Deeds, your favorite broker, owner at Point Realty, the Deeds Group at Point Realty. Wanted to come to you with something. This is kind of a new thing as far as homestead exemptions go, and so I want to talk with you about homestead exemptions today. First of all, if you don't know what a homestead exemption is, it is a little bit of relief that you get on your property taxes. Now, property taxes are charged by a percentage, so the homestead exemption, what it does is it reduces the number of your appraised value. So if you got a $300,000 house, maybe you're only being taxed on $250,000. So that's how the percentage is charged. All that to say, the homestead exemption saves you money on your property taxes. So if you do not have one, please go to tad.org and find the form, or call me or text me and I will help you find it. I have come across many sellers recently who I'm like, oh my gosh, you guys don't even have a homestead exemption. Let's see if we can get that added and get you some back retroactive savings or whatever. But what I want to tell you that's new, because this is what's new, is that now there was a Senate bill. It's actually was passed, it looks like about 2 years ago, but I think TAD is just now putting this all into play. TAD, by the way, is Texas Tarrant Appraisal District. It gives, this bill allows for the county to do a periodic review of the homestead exemption, which means that every 5 years they can pull the homestead exemption off and you have to reapply for it. So what I would like for you to know is, first of all, make sure that you have a homestead exemption on your property taxes. Secondly, we need to start checking periodically every year when you get your property tax bill. Make sure that the homestead exemption is on there, and at some point, if you see that it's not, then you are gonna have to reapply for it. So homestead exemptions are not new, but this 5-year review is. So please, please, please make sure that your homestead exemption has not fallen off and that it does get put back on if it has, and know that it could be looked at every 5 years. So that is my public service announcement for the day. I want to make sure everyone's aware of that. And if you have any questions about it, your property value, how your taxes work, any of that kind of thing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'd love to help you if we can. Okay, thanks so much.